to the Happy Nail Art series. Today I am going off these sketches and I have kind of created a spur of the moment color blocking manicure using 3 of the colors from the color palette that we have been working with over the past so many days of using these specific colors, and it has been so much fun, and I really enjoyed how this manicure turned out. Plus I feel like it's a good way of not having to use any tools and utilizing a few of the colors in the color palette. So of course you want to start off with a base coat. I already have that on and I've let that dry, but now I'm going to go in and just paint half of my nail pink, and this is Bubblegum by Heroine NYC. And at this point, if your pink is a 1-coater or a 2-coater, just do whatever works for you. Let that dry, and then we'll move on to the next step. This pink I found, it did need a 2nd coat just to fully get on there. Plus I wanted to kind of be able to clean up the cuticle line because of working on just half a nail. It does require a little bit of work, but no extra tools because I'm just using the brush on the polish. And now I'm going to go in and paint the other side with a super light blue, and this is Pika Blue by Heroine NYC. You just want to try to go over until you reach the middle of the nail. I know that can be tricky, but don't worry about it too much because the next step is kind of the next step is kind of gonna cover that up. So, but I did think that my blue needed a 2nd coat, so I did that. Also, like a thing that I found that made this really kind of helpful was to use the same brand of nail polish for each side, because then you're gonna have similar brush shapes and easier like space to work with. But then for this part, you're going to go almost all the way up, just a little bit down from a cuticle, and put 1 swipe of the yellow polish. And that's it. That's like really easy and super fun. And I used the Zoya B for my yellow, and I just did 1 swipe of it. Let that dry, put on a shiny top coat, and that was it for this manicure. So seriously, super easy, a fun way to do color blocking that's a little different than traditional. No tape is needed, no tools are needed, you just need the brushes, all the polishes, and you're good to go. And a little bit of patience while you let each thing dry. But other than that, super easy and really fun. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Remember, you could do this with any sort of color combination that you would like, and you can really just kind of have fun with it. You could add more layers, more colors if you wanted, but I was really content with how the 3 look together. And I think that is officially it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye!